Jokenya modak e pinje maoko koro biro chako keto mwandu gi e thurka giwegi maok gikalo kuom kembe moko. Jagoro mongirore migao mochung' ne ng'iyo chal Jokenya modak e pinje maoko Roslyn Jogu ne osingone Jokenya modak e boma ma Brussels ni koro ok gibi chuno mondo gikale yore maboyo ka gidwa keto mwandu mag e thurka, kamano nyalo medo yuto megi kod maok tin ni atamalo 12. Jogu manowuoyo kod Jokenya modak Belgium bende osingo ni gibiro loso ne Jokenya go yore mag yudo hola mag gedo kata ng'iewo udi okalo e migao mar riwruoge mag saga. Chenro makamano bende biro riwo bengi ma pacho ka achiel kod okenge mag mbeko osuru ma ijuogo Jokenya modak oko ka giketo mwandu gi e pacho ka.
I'm going to sit down with PS for diaspora, and you're going to design a saving product for people in the diaspora. I know majority of you have been cheated. You send money back home to your friends or relatives. They're saying they're putting up a house for you. They show a very nice picture of your neighbor's home. You feel right, you go back home, hakuna nyumba. So umefanya hivyo mara mingi. So now there is an opportunity where you can actually be saving, and the government has right now introduced affordable housing. We are building houses across the country in each and every county, whereby now even from here you can start saving towards getting mortgage for your house back home.
So maybe lowering the cost of transfer of money can encourage these diaspora remittances, and also curbing risks and fear of investing at home, because many have fallen into hands of fraudulent individuals.
If it's possible to be able to have a DTA agreement, a double taxation agreement with Belgium, because Belgium does not have a double taxation treaty with Kenya. If Kenya has not signed a treaty with Belgium, then we as a diaspora, we are going to be duly taxed, and that is double taxation. This is very demotivating to the diaspora.